Fabric and Flock events that we are doing around the world, there are two reasons for it. One, because we have learned over the last 9 years that hard way of how to grow a mobile app revenue business. We want to extend that learning via these SDKs to all the emerging developers and publishers and big name partners who have started adopting Fabric globally and in India, right? That's one. Two, we have seen our own product evolve, and our product has evolved largely by feedback from users and our partners. They have been the ones who've shown us the right way for the product to move forward. They have given us feedback, which in some cases have helped us improve our product. Now, as and when more and more SDK partners integrate Twitter SDKs into their services, we get a view of their world on how they are going to be consuming tweets, how they are going to be consuming their apps and their services across the world. It helps us build a better product in the end game. But most importantly, it's basically to show our appreciation of the last 9 years that we have learned as a company from these users and largely these app developers who have taken our product to a different level and a different notch based on their feedback that we have accumulated. The partners have been using the Crashlytics SDK, the Twitter Kit, Digits, which is sign in with phone numbers, and Mopub, which is our ad platform. From an app developer perspective in India, if you are starting off on a journey, or you may be in a mature journey of an app adoption phase, the Twitter SDKs are very relevant for you, because these SDKs are designed from a journey of an app developer, right from an idea that you start to building a stable app, which is Crashlytics, to understanding and distributing the beta version of your app to a set of users and getting real-time feedback, which is beta in Crashlytics, and then to getting insights of how your app is being adopted across mobile networks, across handsets, and across operating systems, and across different markets, how many session lines, how many MAUs, how many DAUs, what's causing an error, and that's insights into your app performance, which is Crashlytics Answers. So we have this amazing starting kit for you to start your journey as an app developer. We have Digits, apps in India. Identity is an important aspect of apps in India, and Digits helps you sign in with the phone number, because not every Indian has an email ID, and as more and more Indians come to the internet via the mobile phone numbers is the identity. So we allow you to do that again at no cost across India, across 216 nations globally. Use Digits. And finally, when you build a stable app, you've got to sign in, you've got people using it, and you've got mass adoption, you want to monetize that, and that's where Mopub SDK comes in. All of this basically means, as an app developer in your journey, you would have to worry about one SDK for this, one SDK for that, and 10, 15 SDKs that you need to integrate and make your app really bulky and impossible for users to use. What the Fabric platform does is come and compress them all into a single platform and minimize the load that your app has to actually do for you to gain intelligence and to actually monetize. So as an app developer, you have the freedom and flexibility to choose the various 2 or 3 SDKs from this platform as and when you want it, or you can adopt all of them in a single platform. So the flexibility of the platform, the comprehensive solution that the Fabric platform provides to you, is something that I think most developers are appreciating.
Yeah, this is definitely right. Even the market is ready for your product. Once you are done with your initial prototype, why don't you share it with me? I'll connect you to a friend of mine who is an investor. You can go out for a coffee with him, spend some time.